Hi everyone. Today we are going to understand prepositions and we are going to focus on three prepositions in, on, and at. First, we understand what prepositions are. So, prepositions are small but powerful words that link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other parts of a sentence. They provide essential information about relationships in time, place, and direction. But today, we'll focus on prepositions of time, specifically in, on, and at, to understand how to use them correctly. Let's see, what are prepositions of time? So, prepositions of time are used to indicate specific points or periods in time. They help us place actions or events within a time frame. Using the correct prepositions ensures clarity in communication. So, let's have a broader outlook on all these the three prepositions in, on, and at. In is used for longer periods of time, such as weeks, months, years, centuries, etc. It denotes something occurring within a broader time frame. On is used for specific days and dates. It pinpoints a particular day or date. At is used for exact times and precise moments. It identifies a specific point in time. Let's take a closer look at these prepositions and how to use them in relation with the time. We have some examples here. For weeks, let's say this project will finish in next 2 weeks. Months, she was born in July. Years, he graduated in 2020. And centuries, the event occurred in the 19th century. Now let's take a look at the preposition on. For days of the week, we have example here. The meeting is scheduled on Monday. Dates, her birthday is on June 15th. Specific days, I'll see you on New Year's Day. So that's how we use on. And let's have a look at. So at is used for specific times. If for exact timing, we will say the train leaves at 3 p.m. For specific moments, we can say she called at midnight. And for holidays without day, we have an example where we can use it like we have a family dinner at Christmas. So we are going to see now one comparison of example. So in I'll see you in the afternoon refers to a longer, less precise time frame. There is no precision here. Perfect timing is not there. On I'll see you on Friday afternoon refers to a specific day. And at I'll see you at 3 p.m. refers to a precise time. So, thank you for watching this. I hope this video gave you some clarity as to how and when to use the prepositions in, on, and at in reference to time. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.